How to convert active voice to passive voice from all tenses. Before going to learn, we should know short words. S means subject, MV means main verb, C by O means common or object. From the simple present tense formula, subject plus MV1 plus common object, active voice, common object plus am by is by or, MV3 by subject, passive voice. I call you, నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తాను. You are called by me, నువ్వు నా చేత పిలువబడతావు. Simple past tense. Subject MV2 plus common object. This is active voice. Common object was by verb plus MV3 by subject. Passive voice. I called you. నేను నిన్ను పిలిచాను. You were called by me. నువ్వు నా చేత పిలువబడ్డావు. Simple future tense. Subject plus shall by will plus MV1 plus common object. This is active voice. Common object shall by will plus be, MV3 by subject. This is passive voice. I shall call you. నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తాను లేదా పిలువబోతాను. You will be called by me. నీవు నా చేత పిలువబడతావు లేదా పిలువబడబోతావు. Present continuous tense. Subject am by is by or, MV4 common object, active voice. Common object plus am by is by or, being plus MV3 by subject, passive voice. I am calling you. నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తూ ఉన్నాను. You are being called by me. నువ్వు నా చేత పిలువబడుతూ ఉన్నావు. Past continuous tense. Subject plus was by verb plus MV4 plus common object, active voice. Common object plus was by verb plus being, MV3 by subject, passive voice. I was calling you. నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తూ ఉంటిని. You were being called by me. నువ్వు నా చేత పిలువబడుతూ ఉంటివి. Future continuous tense. Subject plus shall by will plus be, MV4 plus common object, active voice, no passive voice. I shall be calling you. నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తూ ఉంటాను. Present perfect tense. Subject plus have by has plus MV3 plus common object, active voice. Common object plus have by has plus been plus MV3 by subject, passive voice. I have called you. నేను నిన్ను పిలిచి ఉన్నాను. You have been called by me. నీవు నా చేత పిలువబడి ఉన్నావు. Past perfect tense. subject plus had plus mv3 plus common object, active as common object plus had been plus mv3 plus by subject. I had called you, నేను నిన్ను పిలిచి ఉంటిని. You had been called by me, నువ్వు నా చేత పిలువబడి ఉంటివి. Future perfect tense. Subject plus shall by will plus have plus mv3 plus common object, active as common object plus shall by will plus have been plus mv3 by subject, passive as I shall have called you, నేను నిన్ను పిలిచి ఉంటాను. You have been called by me, నువ్వు నా చేత పిలువబడి ఉంటావు. Present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have by has plus been plus mv4 plus common object, active as no passive as I have been calling you, నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తూనే ఉన్నాను. Past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus mv4 plus common object, active as no passive as I had been calling you, నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తూనే ఉంటిని. Future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus shall by will plus have been plus mv4 plus common object, active as no passive as I shall have been calling you, నేను నిన్ను పిలుస్తూనే ఉంటాను.